Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show y'all how I make chocolate gravy. You start out with 3/4 of a cup of sugar and then a 1/4 cup of cocoa and 3 tablespoons of flour. So you're going to get all that mixed up and then you're going to add 2 cups of milk and a teaspoon of vanilla. You can add more if you want to. I was almost out, so I just added what I had left. And then you're going to stir that up really well without the heat on. It's going to look really clumpy at first. It's not going to look like it's going to work out for you. But then once you turn the heat on and get to stirring, everything's going to dissolve. And then it's not going to be very thick. And then once it comes to a boil, it will thicken up like it should be. You'll see. And here's what it looked like. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Jesus loves y'all and I love y'all too. Bye.